As the airway narrows, airflow becomes increasingly restricted, making it difficult for the body to draw in sufficient oxygen. The body, however, is far from passive in the face of this threat, with specialized sensors constantly monitoring the levels of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the blood. Deep within the brainstem, a silent alarm is triggered. The chemoreceptors, highly sensitive cells, attuned to even the slightest fluctuations in blood gas levels, detect the falling oxygen levels and rising carbon dioxide levels. The brainstem, acting as the conductor of a complex symphony of physiological responses, sends out a flurry of signals along the nervous system.